In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your HubSpot CRM through Google Sheets. This process will enable you to integrate and manage your contacts effortlessly between these two powerful tools. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your HubSpot account. Make sure you're logged in and have the necessary permissions to make changes or import data. Once there, direct your attention to the interface and locate the contact sign. It's often represented by a silhouette icon or something similar on the navigation panel. Clicking on this will lead you to a variety of CRM options. Now the next step is to navigate to the Contacts section. This is typically where you manage your customer information and interactions. Clicking here will open a list of your existing contacts, providing a central hub for accessing and manipulating your contact data. Now look for the Import option. It might be a button or a link located somewhere prominently on your screen, usually in the top right corner. Clicking on Import will start the process of bringing your data into HubSpot. From there, you'll want to select Import Data. This tells HubSpot that you wish to upload and integrate new information, likely from an external file, such as a Google Sheet. When you click this option, HubSpot will prepare an import wizard to guide you through the rest of the process. Next up, you'll find the Start Import button. This feature is pivotal as it formally begins your data upload sequence. Clicking here means you're ready to initiate the import procedure, so make sure your data is organized and accurate in your Google Sheets file before proceeding. It's a good idea to review your data to ensure all fields align with HubSpot's categories. Once you click the Start Import button, you'll arrive at a choice of options regarding what type of data you're importing. Since we're dealing with contacts, make sure to select Contacts from the provided options. This will ensure the information from your Google Sheet merges correctly with the existing contact information in HubSpot. Following this, you'll need to confirm your choices by clicking Next. This step typically double-checks your configurations and prepares HubSpot to receive your data. Finally, it's time to choose your file. There should be an option labeled Choose a File. Click it, and a dialog box will pop up allowing you to locate and select your prepared Google Sheets file from your computer. Make sure it's formatted correctly with headers corresponding to HubSpot fields, so the import process runs smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your HubSpot CRM with data from Google Sheets. Just sit back as HubSpot processes the import, after which your CRM will be updated with the new information. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore further features for optimizing your CRM experience.